Welcome back to Autoscope. Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome in 2026. External, integrated design. The GLE Motorhome will keep the aerodynamic and sophisticated design lines of the normal GLE, in contrast to traditional RVs, which frequently resemble boxes on wheels. LED headlights with several beams that can adapt. Panoramic windows. Wide-ranging views will be provided by large windows, perhaps with a panoramic roof option. Doors and access. A large main entry door on the side of the body will be present in addition to the driver and front passenger doors. External storage. There will be an ingenious concealed storage space beneath the body. Wheels and tires. All-terrain tires and large 40 alloy wheels will be standard. Interior. With two sizable, user-friendly touchscreens, the MBUX infotainment system will serve as the control center. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree video system are examples of advanced driver assistance systems. It is possible to turn two-facing or L-shaped couches into extra beds. High-end entertainment system, a TV with a flat screen that can be concealed. Kitchen, 8-capacity refrigerator freezer, stainless steel sink, microwave a convection oven combo, 2-burner induction cooktop. Smart storage, locking mechanisms will be incorporated into cabinets and drawers to stop objects from moving while being moved. Permanent bed. The back of the motorhome will have a permanent queen or double bed. Superior materials. High-quality materials are employed. Hybrid plug-in hybrid engine, considering current automotive trends. The 2026 GLE Motorhome is probably going to be propelled by a strong yet efficient hybrid or plug-in hybrid engine. Perhaps a member of the 2.0 all-turbo 4-cylinder or 3.0 all-inline 6-engine family. Smart connectivity. Using a smartphone app to remotely check battery life, tank levels, illumination, and other functions. Security immobilizer, alarm system, exterior surveillance camera.